We are finally here.
I am so excited, Max.
This is your first flight, right?
Yes, my very first flight.
Don't worry, I will help you.
Thank you. Where do we go first?
We go to the check-in counter.
What is a check-in counter?
It is where we show our passport and get our boarding pass.
What is a boarding pass?
It is a paper ticket. It lets you get on the plane.
Oh, I understand now.
Let's go. The counter is over there.
I see a short line. That's good.
Yes, we are early today.
Good morning. Passports, please. Good morning. Here they are. Thank you. How many bags today?
I have one big suitcase. Please put it on the scale. Okay, like this? Yes, perfect. It is 20 kilograms.
Is that under the limit?
Yes, the limit is 23 kilograms. Oh, good. I was worried. No problem at all. Here are your boarding passes. Thank you. What is this number here? That is your gate number, gate 14. Gate 14. I will remember that. Boarding time is 9:30.
What does boarding time mean?
It means the time you get on the plane.
I see. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a safe flight.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
That was easy.
Yes, easier than I thought.
Now we need to go through security.
What happens at security?
They check our bags. It keeps everyone safe.
Okay, let's go.
It's this way. Past the signs.
I see a lot of people walking fast.
Everyone is going to their gate.
This place is so big.
It is. But don't worry, we have time.
I feel a little nervous.
That's normal. Just stay with me.
Okay, I will.
We have almost 2 hours before boarding.
That is a lot of time.
Yes, plenty of time to relax.
I like hearing that.
Let's find the security line.
I see a sign that says security.
Good eyes. Let's follow it.
Here is the security line.
It looks a little long.
It will move fast, don't worry.
Next, please. Put your bags on the belt.
Okay, do I take everything out?
Please remove your laptop and put it in a separate tray.
A separate tray, like this one?
Yes, exactly like that.
What about my shoes?
You can keep your shoes on today.
Ah, that's easy.
What is that machine called?
It's called a metal detector.
A metal detector? What does it do?
It checks if you are carrying any metal.
Oh, I understand now.
Please walk through slowly.
Okay, here I go.
Thank you. No problem at all.
See? That was quick.
Yes, it was easier than I imagined.
Sir, please step through as well.
Sure, no problem.
Thank you. Have a good flight.
Thank you very much.
I got my laptop and bag back.
Great. Let's put our shoes back on.
Wait, I need to get my liquids too.
Oh, right. Small liquids go in a clear bag.
Why is that the rule?
It's for safety. Only small bottles are allowed.
I see. My lotion is very small, so that's fine.
Perfect. We are all done here.
That was not scary at all.
See? I told you it would be fine.
You were right.
Now, let's find something to eat.
I am a little hungry too.
There are many shops and restaurants here.
I see a coffee shop over there.
We can go there in a bit.
Actually, I want to look at the shops first.
Sure. What are you looking for?
I want to buy a small gift for my grandmother.
Oh, that's a nice idea.
She lives far away. I don't see her often.
I understand. Let's find something special.
This shop has so many things.
Yes, it's called a duty-free shop.
A duty-free shop? What does that mean?
It means the prices don't include some taxes.
Oh, so things are a little cheaper here.
Exactly, sometimes.
Hello, can I help you find something?
Yes, please. I want a gift for my grandmother.
How about this scarf? It's very popular.
Oh, it's beautiful. How much is it?
It is $25.
That sounds nice. Do you have other colors?
Yes, we have blue, red, and purple.
I think she would love the purple one.
Purple is her favorite color.
Yes, exactly. I will take the purple scarf.
Great choice. Would you like it gift wrapped?
What does gift wrapped mean?
It means we put it in nice paper for you.
Oh, yes, please. That would be lovely.
No problem. It will take 1 minute.
While we wait, should we get some snacks too?
Good idea. I saw some chocolate over there.
Let's grab a few for the flight.
This chocolate is $6. Is that expensive?
It's a little high, but it's airport prices.
I understand. I'll get 1 bar anyway.
Here is your gift, all wrapped up.
Thank you so much. It looks perfect.
How would you like to pay? Cash or card?
I'll pay by card, please.
Sure. Please tap your card here.
Okay, done.
Thank you. Have a wonderful trip.
Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
You did that all by yourself.
I did. I feel proud.
You should be. Let's go find our gate now.
Okay, gate 14, right?
Yes, gate 14. This way.
I see signs above us with gate numbers.
Good. We just follow those signs.
This airport is easier than I expected.
See? A little practice helps a lot.
I agree completely.
Here we are, gate 14.
I see our plane outside the window.
It's a big one today.
It looks even bigger up close.
Let's sit down and wait for boarding.
Okay, there are 2 seats over there.
Perfect. Let's sit.
Max, can I tell you something?
Of course. What is it?
I am a little scared to fly.
That's very normal for a first flight.
Really? You're not just saying that?
No, many people feel nervous the first time.
My grandmother used to say flying is like a big adventure.
She sounds like a wise woman.
She is. She raised me when I was young.
That's a beautiful memory.
I haven't seen her in 3 years.
I understand why this trip means so much to you.
Yes, exactly. I miss her so much.
I'm sure she misses you too.
I hope she likes the scarf.
I'm sure she will love it.
Thank you for listening, Max.
Of course, that's what friends are for.
I feel a little better now.
Good. And remember, I'll be right beside you.
That helps a lot.
Look, there's an announcement board over there.
What does it say?
It says our flight is on time.
Oh, that's good news.
Yes, no delays today.
What does delay mean?
It means the flight leaves later than planned.
Ah, I understand now.
Luckily, we don't have that problem today.
I'm glad. I want to see my grandmother soon.
We'll be there before you know it.
I keep looking at the clock.
Boarding usually starts 30 minutes before the flight.
So soon?
Yes, very soon.
Attention passengers, we are now boarding flight 221.
That's us. I'm getting nervous again.
It's okay. Let's get in line.
Do we need our boarding passes now?
Yes, and your passport too.
Here they are.
Boarding pass, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. You have seat 14A. That's a window seat.
A window seat. I love that.
Enjoy your flight.
Thank you so much.
My turn now. Boarding pass, please. Here it is. Thank you. Seat 14B, right next to your friend. Perfect. Thank you.
We're sitting together. I'm so happy.
Of course we are. I wouldn't let you sit alone.
You're a really good friend, Max.
Let's walk down to the plane now.
Look, there's a flight attendant welcoming everyone.
Yes, she'll show us to our seats.
This is really happening.
Yes, it is. Are you excited?
Very excited. And a little nervous still.
That's completely okay.
I found our row, 14A and B.
Great job finding it.
I'll put my bag under the seat.
Good idea. Mine goes in the compartment above us.
What is that called again?
The overhead compartment.
Overhead compartment. Got it.
You're learning so many new words today.
I know. This trip is a great lesson, too.
Let's fasten our seatbelts.
Okay, click, like this.
Perfect. Now we just relax.
I can't believe I'm really on a plane.
And soon you'll see your grandmother.
I can't wait. Max, look outside. The clouds are beautiful.
They really are, like soft cotton.
I can't believe we're above the clouds.
It's a wonderful feeling, isn't it?
It really is. Today was such a big day.
Yes, we did a lot together.
We checked in, went through security, and even shopped.
And you bought a perfect gift for your grandmother.
Yes, I hope she loves the purple scarf.
I'm sure she will treasure it.
I learned so many new words today.
Like what, for example?
Boarding pass, duty-free, and overhead compartment.
Don't forget metal detector and gift dropped.
Right, those were useful too.
You did really well today.
Thank you, Max. I couldn't have done it without you.
You did most of it yourself, actually.
Maybe, but having you here made it easier.
That's what friends are for.
I'm not scared anymore.
I can tell. You look so calm now.
I think I understand flying much better now.
Next time, you could even do this alone.
Maybe, but I'd still like you to come.
I'd be happy to.
My grandmother is going to be so surprised.
I'm sure she'll be thrilled to see you.
This trip means everything to me.
I could tell from the moment we arrived.
Thank you for being patient with all my questions.
Anytime. That's how we learn.
I really enjoyed this whole day.
Me too. It was a great adventure.
Next stop, Grandma's house.
Next stop, indeed.